Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add points to the polygon vertex for each of these plots. In the previous video, I showed you how to carry out a quality check on the design by adding the parcel main and the orthophoto to check for encroachments. So in today's video, the first thing we'll do today is to create a new shapefile layer for points. I click on this point and OK. Then I'll browse to my project folder, shapefile. Always ensure you save your shapefiles into the shapefile subfolder to help you organize your work. So as you can see, the point shapefile has been added into the layers panel. To organize my layers panel, I can group all this. Okay, I've already grouped the design, the shapefiles for design under this, and I have this one here. Okay, I have my points. So after creating a shapefile for points, the next thing you would do is to enable the snapping tool. I click on snapping option, layer selection, all visible layer, snap to vertex and segment. The tolerance is 2. 2 is okay for your tolerance. You enable topological editing and enable snapping on intersection, apply and OK. Then we can start digitizing. You click on toggle editing, add feature. Then one thing you should note is that you don't add points, you don't digitize randomly. You digitize block by block. You digitize block by block, because after digitizing, when adding the beacon numbers, it will follow the order of the digitizing, the way the digitizing was done. So the beacon numbers will also be added automatically. So this is to ensure that your beacon numbers are serial. They are not randomly scattered. So I'll start with this block. Remember, you're digitizing the parcels. You're not digitizing the roads. You're not adding points to the roads. You're adding points to the parcels. It will be done block by block. So let's go into it. Depending on the settings you have on your QGIS, sometimes while digitizing, let me show you something. You will see the difference now. You can see sometimes while digitizing, this dialog box will pop up, and this can slow down your digitizing. So in order to stop this from popping up, you go to your settings, options, digitizing, suppress attributes from attributes from after feature creation. You click on it and then OK. So this will stop the box from popping up. If you can see the way I did this digitizing, I started from the truncation and then went straight up and then into the center lines. So this is how you digitize the plots for a layout. After this block, you go to the next block and you digitize the block, and then to the next block, and then to the next one. After digitizing, you will save the layer edits and then you save the project. So this is how to digitize. In the next video, I'll show you how to generate the coordinates of these points, and the nothings of these points, and also how to add the beacon numbers. Thank you very much for watching.